everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Michelle. Thank you so much for being here. But hold on, wait 1 second. I had this whole meaningful, beautiful revelation. This is my setup, okay? This is what I sit in front of. Don't look too close, okay? Because I don't know what y'all gonna see. And this is my suction magnifying mirror, right? To really see all the nooks and crannies and stuff. And God has spoken something to me about it. And let me tell you something. He will use anything to grab your attention. It was really deep, y'all. I'm trying to tell you. I'm gonna put it in the description box below because we got things to do. So today I am showcasing another banger with UNice with their hot fuchsia Barbie dream selves with a matching robe, my favorite. I already got this wig cap on. So let me show you some goodies that came in my pack. It has a wig elastic band. I also came with these matching nails. Included was plenty of double-sided bye-bye knots lace tape. But girl, let me show you this Bayalage highlight wig with these juicy curls. Here's a nice inside glance of the inside of the cap. It is a one-size-fits-all cap. It's already been cut for you. Comes with the elastic band with the anti-slip grip. You put it in there or like that. So it's got this nice little cutout that you see that goes around the ears. And that's good for the girlies who are blind like me because I really don't wear my glasses often on this channel. But the top of your wig and your glasses should not be fighting. So I didn't do the ball cap method for this one. I just went ahead and used this wig cap. So let's go ahead and put her on. And I said, hold up. Is this a look? Wait a minute. Okay. It looks like somebody has prepared my morning itinerary and already brought me my slippers. All right, where is the morning report, Rachel? So here's what the hairline is giving. I was looking at the lace. I said, baby, where is it? How has this blended so seamlessly into my skin before I even brought out a brush, child? Okay, I was trying to see if it was the light or not, but when I do this, look.
We can get the chicken wings with like all the sauce. Yeah, you plus me, what can't go.
All right, so stand back, y'all. I'm about to brush this back so I could clip this hair out of my face. Now, this is a 7x5 lace. I'm gonna save these for later. And today, instead of using the lace tape, I'm just gonna go ahead and use a spray. I just came back from vacation. This wig held up really, really well, especially with that elastic strap in the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut off this excess lace. And then I'm gonna use these micro applicators to melt the lace with a little bit of Fantasia spritz. Now wait until that's fully dry before you put this elastic band on. Otherwise you're gonna have troubles.
Jingle bring the beat alive every time, you know. From the look in my eyes, girl, you know, seeing me.
So here she is. She is 24 inches of gorgeousness. This is the body wave. So before I get into any kind of styling whatsoever, I'm gonna go ahead and use some spray wax and a straightening comb to kind of style the front of the hair so I can see how I want it to fall.
I'ma keep you coming, babe. Won't you keep me coming, babe? I'ma make you mommy, babe. What you want from me, daddy? Hey, why me?
And this is how the curls look brushed out. This is gorgeous by itself. But you know, I'm gonna be a little extra. So what I'm doing is I'm just gonna cut a few layers into my hair using the same technique that I've used in the past. There's a couple of my videos about it. I'm gonna go ahead and do that all the way around just to add a little bit of variant because I'm about to curl this hair up. And I got my curling iron. And I'm about to do my whole head because we like the curls. So listen, like I said, I went on vacation with my family to Florida and we even stopped at City Walk at Universal Studios. We had us a good old time, honey. And let me tell you, the Boca Raton retirement home fashions are giving. When I saw this outfit, I was like, would Blanche wear this? Because I think she would.
We can party on a Friday. Why me? Go cry you, whatever. You're sexy and you know that.
And girl, why did my camera try to attack me? Ow! So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the clips that I used to hold my curls until they cool down.
From looking at my eyes, girl, you know what's in me. jingle bring the beer alive.
You know what would really complete this outfit? These earrings. So I went ahead and added them.
From you looking at my eyes, girl, you know what's saying me.
So as I was brushing out these curls, it's really easy to lose the curl if you don't do that little twirl. You see that little twirl thing I did? After you comb out the hair, take a section and twirl it at the end with your fingertips, okay?
Ready? Baby, I don't really know what you want to do. Maybe you can show me what you can do. Or we can turn up if you want to. Dance all night if you want to.
I'm spraying my favorite. This is some lychee perfume. And this is the final look. It's nice. It's got a lot of volume in it. The highlights are beautiful. They catch in the sun so gorgeously. And then I said, you know what? If I brush these curls down and tame them a little bit, you can have a little Hollywood glamour.
Say you want me, send girl on my yard, come call me. Tell somebody, no say you got that body, eh.
Very gorgeous. And then I said, why y'all let me put these earrings in? So I took them out.
We can turn up if you want to. Dance all night if you want to.
That's better.
Night if you want to. Change your whole life for me gon' do. Make you feel nice for me gon' do. Girl, you don't know what you undo.
Okay, so the shiny seashell necklace wasn't blinging enough, so I decided that I was gonna spray my hair with some more shine spray, and I had to be very careful about it because it did tame the curls and it didn't make them look greasy, but it did tame the hair. It took some of that volume away.
What make you stay so? Baby, I already know what you want to. Maybe you can show me what you
I really wish those curls did not clump when I turned around. But that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're looking for any more information about this gorgeous wig, you should check the description box below. And also, I'm going to tell you about the mirrors, so check that out too. And I love you guys. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
No say that my girl, but you don't know. Remember you say